How to make mozzarella cheese in 10 minutes. On medium heat, put 1 liter of milk until it reaches 120 degrees Fahrenheit. When taking the measurement, make sure that the pointer is in the middle of the milk, or else you'll be taking the measurement of the bottom of the pan and not the milk. If you don't have a thermometer, well, you can use the dipping finger. When the milk gets warm, dip your finger and count to 10. If you can keep your finger in it, then it's too cold. If you cannot, then this is the right temperature. Now the temperature is ready. Turn off the heat and let's add some vinegar. Add 1/4 cup of vinegar while stirring the milk. Pour the vinegar and stir. Count to 20. 1, 2, 3 till you reach 20, and then close the lid and let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes. Now it's ready. Open the lid, get your scooper and your coriander, and take out your cheese and put it inside your coriander on top of the pot. Now take a spatula and let's dry the cheese. Follow the picture to see how we dry the cheese with a spatula. It's too hot to hold, so this is the perfect way. Now turn on the heat again to the lowest number possible. When the water heats a little bit, add some salt. This is only to give it a little bit of taste. You can also add black seeds. We're gonna dip the cheese into the whey until it melts a little bit, and then we're gonna reform it and it will be done. After around 1 minute, we're gonna scoop out the cheese. Now, let's form it in the way that you see. Now dip it again in the warm water and let it soak for like 1 or 2 minutes. The cheese should be very soft and easy to fold. If you're having a hard time in folding it, just dip it back to the heated whey and then take it out and fold it again. Now that it's done, put it in water and ice and let it cool so it will take its shape. If you don't put ice, the cheese ball will get flat and you'll end up with a flat shape mozzarella. After 5 minutes, pat it dry and put it in a container and to the fridge. It will last more than 1 week easily. When you're ready to use it, you can cut it or grind it. The main important thing in mozzarella making is to reach the 120 degrees Fahrenheit, or else it's not gonna work. Enjoy it with tomato, olive oil, and basil leaf if desired.